Hello guys, now you are with my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. Today we will discuss how to save our documents from Trojan malware attacks, which has been deleted our document files like XLS, XMLs, all these files. How can we save and recover? All these steps are shown. How to save your documents like XLS, XLSX, XML files. Follow these steps to save your documents from XML.Trojan malware, which is affected our documents files. First step, disconnect your internet. Second, disable your antivirus program till to complete the setting. Next, exclude your documents containing files and folders with antivirus setting. Then no files will be deleted from your excluded folder. Then how to recover your deleted files? Step 1, open your antivirus, go to settings, open quarantine files, search. Most of the files are found here. Select your files and restore it. Then go to where you have saved your files. Let's go through the video details. Guys, please watch, learn, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions and follow my practical video steps.